After Maharashtra, Arvind Kejriwal has taken his election campaign to Karnataka. He is in Bangalore today. The Aam Aadmi Party chief started his roadshow from Hebbal this morning and he'll end it at Bangalore city central. The Aam Aadmi Party, however, is yet to get police clearance for this roadshow in the city. With no clearances in place, will there be chaos in Bangalore as well, like the one that was witnessed in Mumbai? Well, later in the evening, Kejriwal will attend a fundraising dinner that has been organized by former Infosys employee V. Balakrishnan. The cost of attending the Aam Aadmi Party dinner, however, is at 20,000 rupees per person.
मैं ये जानना चाहता हूं कि if with all due humility कि मीडिया ने पिछले एक साल में पिछले एक साल में मोदी जी के विकास के बारे में इस देश को झूठ क्यों बोला, मोदी जी के विकास के बारे में इस देश को झूठ क्यों बताया। और दूसरा, अभी भी क्या मीडिया हिम्मत करेगा गुजरात के विनाश के बारे में सही बात बताने के लिए? क्या गुजरात की सही स्टोरी बताने की मीडिया हिम्मत कर सकेगा?
Arvind Kejriwal starts his two-day tour as an Aam Aadmi. Interestingly, he starts his roadshow from Hebbal, but he also decides to go and use a pay toilet, a public pay toilet, as an Aam Aadmi. He's trying to make an impression of sorts amongst people, saying he's like a normal person. He's trying to reach out to every single person in Karnataka, and what has been known in his roadshow is that he'll be meeting not just Aam Aadmi supporters but also convincing people on the streets. 11 o'clock in the morning till 8 p.m. in the night, he'll be on the streets, going to the busiest streets of Bangalore, talking to people about Aam Aadmi Party and what they're planning to do this elections. Interestingly, he'll also be a part of a 20,000 rupees per head dinner hosted by former Infosys CFO V. Bala, who's also the contesting from Bangalore Central. Very clearly, until now, Kejriwal has been still making a statement and comment about the comment he made on the media, and he has said he sticks by his word and says there are still some parts of the media that have been stolen. But the whole idea of Arvind Kejriwal in Karnataka this time is to talk about how there are so many corrupt politicians and how Aam Aadmi Party can make a change. With Cameron Shrimurthy, Rohini Swami in Bangalore for Headlines Today.
And Rohini Swami is now joining us after the much talked about roadshow in Mumbai. Now we have Arvind Kejriwal in the city of Bangalore. I believe clearances for the roadshow had not come till late this morning. Rohini, what is Kejriwal's program today in the city?
Well, Ruchika, as of now, all clearances have been given. Kejriwal has begun his roadshow from Hebbal. And as he goes through the various parts of Bangalore city, talking to Aam Aadmi Party volunteers and people, he is moving around in a jeep, but we're also told that he may jump and hop into a two-wheeler and then move around the city. He's got clearances from 11 o'clock in the morning till 8. Interestingly, Kejriwal stood and spoke to the media and again clarified his stance, saying that he has enough evidence against certain media houses as to that they are paid and that they are writing only for particular political parties and not against. He's also spoken about why, and he also questioned as to why certain media houses just talking positive things about Mr. Modi when he himself has gone to Gujarat and seen how the things are. And if the people, if the farmers had seen or got the real picture of what Modi is doing in Gujarat, they would not have voted for Modi. He's saying there's a completely different picture, and a lot of parts of media which he has evidences for is portraying it in the wrong way. He goes on to say that right now in Karnataka, he will be a part of this whole movement where he's going to tell people what is right and what is wrong and what Aam Aadmi Party will try and bring a difference this election.
Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal holding roadshows in Bangalore today, once again hitting out at Narendra Modi in his early morning interaction with the media.